Welcome to the Burke High Library. When you come to the library, make sure that you stop at the desk with your pass first. Then you'll need to sign into the library using the QR codes on the tables or near the seats. We ask that you stay seated until you leave unless you are actively looking for a book. We also ask that you keep your voices down so as not to bother other students. While you're in the library, you can read, work on homework, listen to music, relax, work on a puzzle, or play a quiet game. Just remember to sign out when you leave. Watch these students demonstrate how to properly use the library. Once you've signed in, you can sit down and do your own thing. You can play one of our games, or you can work on the puzzle. The library is open before school at 7 o'clock and stays open until 3:25 after school. You can come into the library before and after school without a pass, but any time during the school day, including lunch, you need to have a pass. Starting next week, the lunchtime procedures in the library will look a little different. You must have a pass to come to the library during lunch and leave the cafeteria. You will need to get your weekly pass from the library staff before lunch starts. You will need to scan a QR code, complete a brief form, and receive your pass for the week. Please try not to lose it. When it is time for your lunch, you can eat lunch first and then come to the library, or just come straight to the library and give your pass to the library staff. You still may not eat in the library. You need to arrive before the last 10 minutes of the lunch block, and you are expected to stay until the bell rings. You will need to pick up your pass before you leave at the end of the lunch block.
Hi, can I please have a lunch box?
Sure, just go ahead and scan that and fill out the form.
Thank you. Thank you.
What's your name?
Savannah.
And what level do you have on A's and B's?
First and second.
When you come in for your lunch block, you just give your pass to the librarian, find your seat, and sign in like usual. If you're looking for a book in the library, you can use the catalog that is on Clever, or you can use our catalog computer now on the desk. You can also ask us for help. The books in the library are arranged by genre and by topic. Our fiction books are organized by genre and color-coded. Fantasy books are in yellow. Realistic fiction is in purple. Historical fiction is in orange. Books about relationships are in light green. Mysteries are light blue. Sports fiction is dark blue. Science fiction in dark green. And thrillers are in red. We have a few sections in our library that contain both fiction and nonfiction, including the graphic novels and manga, the children's books in our Everyone collection, our beginning reader books in the chapter books, quick reads, which are quick and easy to read, but they're written for older students, the Spanish collection, and our new books. Our nonfiction collection have white labels and are organized by topic. We have biographies by and about famous people. We have history books, both world history and local. We have books about science, animals, astronomy, law, and politics. We have books about art, sports, education, careers, and current issues, and books that are about beliefs and literature. When you find a book you'd like to read, you simply take it up to the librarian. You will give them your student ID number, and then you will be able to use that book for 3 weeks. And when you're done with it, simply drop it down the hole to return it. We look forward to seeing you in the library soon.